Namaste. In this episode, we will discuss the cyclical theory of history. History has been written in some form since classical times. Even though Herodotus is the father of history, Thucydides, with his history of the Peloponnesian War, was the first to write an historical narrative which was the result of the choices of human beings rather than divine interventions. Roman historians continued the tradition of narrative histories, but it was the great Arab scholar Ibn Khaldun who put history on a historiographical basis with a scientific method which was unsurpassed until modern times. Historical materialists would be untrue to their own principles if they failed to regard their method of interpreting history. Historians and non-historians seek to make sense of the past. They look for patterns, search for truth, and shape conclusions. Different historical interpretations are referred to as schools of thought. A number of schools of thought on history can be understood in the work of historians through time. The earliest theory underlying history can be described as cyclical theory, that is, history repeats itself over time and that there is no real progress. Both Herodotus and Thucydides suggested that history was cyclical. In the Middle Ages, Petrarch and Machiavelli recovered the idea. Cyclical view of history is among the earliest theories in history. This theory suggests that the events and stages of society and history generally repeat themselves in cycles. Let us now discuss in detail what is cyclical theory. The cyclical theory refers to a model used by historians Arthur M. Schlesinger Sr. and Arthur M. Schlesinger Jr. to explain the fluctuations in politics throughout American history. The cyclical view of history interprets history as repeating cycles of dark and golden age. Many ancient cultures believed in mythical and theological concepts of history. Such society saw history as cyclical with alternative dark and golden ages. According to Jainism, the world has no beginning or end but goes through cycles of upturn and downturns constantly. The cyclical theory has been the core of Indian thought. The Vedas, UPNISHADS, and all related literature are hints of the cyclical theory. Vilfredo Pareto, an Italian sociologist, propounded the theory that societies pass through the periods of political prosper and decline which repeat themselves in cyclical fashion. The society, according to him, consists of two types of people. One, who like to follow traditional ways, whom he called rentiers, and the other ones who like to take chances for attaining their ends, whom he called as speculators. So, we can say that cyclical theory suggests that the events and stages of society and history generally repeat themselves in cycles. I will be discussing about other theories of history in the coming episodes. If you have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you want to know on any other topic, please leave it in the comment box so that I can come back with the same topic. Thank you.